Hello guys, this is Viera from Viera Manufacturing Services. Welcome back to my second tutorial. So guys, in this tutorial we are going to be designing VMS project 1. So let's just dive into it. Okay, so just click on File, New, Path. Okay, so let me just show you guys a drawing. Okay, so we have about 4 different pages. Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4 up to the final drawing. Okay, so we are on page 1. So making sure that all units are in millimeters, and we equally have a scale of 1 by 1. Oh, by the way, all this one will make available for download. Okay, so firstly guys, we are going to draw a rectangle of length 180 with 120, and then we are going to offset it. Then we put chamfers and then we extrude it. Okay guys, so 180 by 120. Okay, so units, you make sure your units are in millimeters guys. Okay, looking at the diagram, we notice that this is L, third angle representation. So this should be the top view, front view, and this is the side view. Okay, so we are starting with top view. Okay, sketch, top, rectangle, center rectangle. Okay, just drag it off. Smart dimension, let's say 180 by 120. Okay, fine. Then offset, let's just select this. It's not selecting. Okay, offset of 20 guys. If it's not, select 1 by 1. Okay, and just select 1 by 1. All fine. Okay, so next thing is putting chamfer. Click on this arrow, chamfer. So the chamfer, it's angle distance of 20 with an angle of 45. Okay, so this edge and this edge, or simply this point, these vertices, sorry, and these vertices. All fine. Okay, looking at the diagram, we notice that it goes all through. So we have a height of 25. So we are going to extrude this by 25. Okay, and sketch. Okay. So with sketch selected, of course, feature, extrude base. We extrude it upward by 25. Okay, fine. Okay, so first sheet completed guys, beautifully made. Okay, so next sheet. So in the next sheet, what's new is we have this base and we have this particular extrusion. So from here to here it's 2. As you notice, everywhere is 2. So we are going to offset the inner circle, or the inner rectangle. We are going to offset the inner rectangle by 2. Then we have a line from here to here of 10 and from here to here of 12. Okay, let's do this. Okay, sketch at the top view. Okay, offset. Kind of, anyway, one line, one, and okay. So the offset is 2. Okay, with 2 selected. Okay, fine. Then we have line over here. Okay, repeat back the command, line command, and just put in any distance. Okay, smart dimension. Now from this line to this line is 10 mm. Okay, fine. Next, this line to this line is 20 mm. Okay, all good. So now it's these lines are equally on this side and on this side. Looking at the diagram, you notice that they are mirror image of each other, right? It's a mirror of this one and mirror of this one. Okay, so we have to put center lines. Just zoom it back. or control. Okay, line over here, and then this arrow, click center line, or you just come here, just press on this line, draw back, center line, then you can add it here. Make sure the line is straight. Okay, fine. So one thing you have to do is click on mirror entity, then select this line and this line, so you mirror about the y-axis. Okay, again repeat command with this selected, with 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you mirror about the x-axis. Okay, fine. So one thing we have to check equally, it's looking at the extrusion, we need to know how much it's been extruded, sorry. So if you just go down, you see it's extruded all through. Even looking at the isometric view, you notice that it's been extruded all through. Okay, fine. Back to diagram. Okay, so extrude cut. Okay, so can you notice I'll select this part. Okay, there's a mistake, guys. Just a moment, please. Looking at the diagram, guys, it's 12, it's not 20. This is a mistake I did, sorry. So just zoom it. So it's my dimension. We're going to put 12 mm. Okay, since they are mirror image, all the others will equally be affected. So just by changing this one, changes all. Okay, fine. So extrude cut now. Okay, you select this, this part. Okay, this part, I think already selected, so it's all through. So we have to go a little bit more deep, so let's take that 5, let's say. Okay, oh fine. Okay, good. So this is done. So next we have to do this base. So this is a third angle projection, so we are looking from bottom. So this is bottom view right here. Length of 50, width of 15, so 50 by 15, and extrusion of 5. So and there are 2 of them. Okay, so 50 by 15. Okay, so you go bottom view, sketch. Oh, sorry, just cancel, discharge. Okay, bottom view, sketch. Okay, fine. So here we are going to be using rectangle, but rather corner rectangle. So just select this corner, drag. Okay, all fine. So one thing you will do here, it's I'm just going to put center lines rapidly. Center line. Okay, repeat back the function. Center line. Okay, I'm going to select this line. I'm going to hold control, select this line. With control hold, I'm going to select the center line, and then I'm going to select symmetry at this edge, symmetry. Okay, all fine. So it's, if I'm not mistaken, 50 by 15. Okay, all fine. So mirror entity, just select this, then mirror about x-axis. Okay, so now we are going to extrude by 5. So with sketch selector, of course, extrude base 5. Then reverse direction, guys, by clicking this arrow. Okay, it looks good now. Okay, fine, good. Okay, so let's look what is next. Nothing new. I think we are done with this drawing. Okay, let's go to that page. Okay, look at the test page. We notice that we have, this particular cut over here. So radius 9. Okay, we have chamfer, oh sorry, fillets. We have several fillets. Then we have some cut art. So let's deal with this radius first here. Okay, so looking at it, it's been extruded all through equally, and it's at the four corners, right, of the path. Okay, let's just go back. Okay, top view again. Now what I'm gonna do is, with line command selected, from here to here, then just press add 20 point here. Okay, just go here, arc, 3-point arc, this point selected, this point selected. Okay, just okay, it's okay here. Smart dimension with this selected, radius of 9. Okay, so now right now it's undefined, because you guys should know one thing: whenever solid sketch is blue, it means your drawing is not fully defined. So in order to make it fully defined, you have to define or add additional dimensions. Okay, so smart dimension, so this particular dimension needs to be added. Unfortunately, it's not in the drawing, so let's just take let's say 5.13. Okay, so now it's fully defined. So center lines, make sure it's straight. Okay, okay, so we are going to mirror this entity. Okay, about this line, repeat back the function, select the sketch, mirror about x-axis. Okay, and sketch, with sketch selected, extrude base. Now we are going to extrude it up to this end, so let's just say up to vertex. Okay, the vertex point, I'm going to use this particular dot, that's my vertex point. Okay, fine. Okay, so here we are. So let's see what is next. So we did this, so let's speak about this front view, guys. Looking at the diagram, front view. Okay, looking at the rectangle here, we have length of 80 and width of 20, and then if you just follow this diagram, you notice that we have an extrusion of 10, so 80 by 20. Okay, let's do this first. Front view, right? Okay, this is the front view. Sketch. Okay, center rectangle, right? Corner rectangle. Okay, let's be fast a little bit, guys. We select this. Okay, line. It needs to be a center line, so make it center. Okay, by selecting this line, pressing Control or holding Control, this line and the center line, then symmetry. 80, I think it's 80 by 20, guys. Hope I'm not mistaken. Let's just check it first. Okay, let's just check it first. Okay, 80 by 20, extrusion of 10, fine. Okay, so it's fully defined. So future extrude cut 10. Okay, good, so we obtain this. So what's next is this inner cut. So looking at the diagram here, this inner cut equally at the center, rectangle, 40 length, so 40 by 15, extrusion of 40 by 15. Okay, fine. So with this sketch, okay, so center line first, guys. Line, center line. You can just take it from here, center. Just find a midpoint here. Okay, fine. So center rectangle. Okay, so it's 40 by 15. Okay, good. Extrusion of 8, so extrude cut. Okay, 8. Okay, good. Okay, that's looking good. Okay, what's next? Front view done. Looking at the side view, we have this cut at the side view. We have a center rectangle. Just put this down. 50 length, 20. So 50 by 20. And if you just follow it, it's extruded all through, guys. Just follow it. It's extruded all through. So 50 by 20. Just a moment. Okay. Okay, guys. So side view. Just click this. Sketch. Okay, you can just add some center lines. Just cancel this. Center line directly. Yeah, okay, fine. Select center. Okay, fine. So rectangle, center rectangle. Just drag, click. It's my dimension. Let me just check dimension again, guys. It's 50 by 20, okay. 50 by 20. And we have to extrude it all through. Okay, fine. Extrude cut. All through. Okay, fine. So you see it goes all through. Okay, good. So let's see what's next. Looking at the diagram. Okay, we have done this. We have done this. I can see this fillet, one fillet. This fillet is of radius 18, and I can equally see a fillet at this edge of radius 8. Okay, I think that's all. Okay, let's do that. Okay, fillet, making sure the radius is 18. Okay, this point, good. This point. If you want it to, preview fully, just click on full preview. Okay, so you notice that. So this point and this point. Oh, a mistake. Just delete this. This H. Okay, fine. So 18. Okay, all good. So next thing, we have another fillet, radius of 8. Okay, making sure it's at this edge. Okay, 2. So we have about 4 each select. Let me just check. 3 and 4. Okay, good. Okay, perfect. Okay, we are almost done. Let me just check the diagram. Okay, I think that's it, guys. Just check out the isometric view. I think we are done with this. Okay, so let's dive into the last part. Okay, so this is the final drawing, guys. I hope you guys are excited. This is the final drawing, almost done. So what's new in this drawing? We have holes at the top view. Front view, we have holes, so many holes, and equally side view. So let's ensure there's nothing about holes. What's new? Let's see holes that's new. Okay, these are equally fillets, right, guys? These are fillets. If you compare with this drawing, we have new fillets added here. Okay, so let's just do the fillets directly. Okay, so over here we have fillet of 5. fillet of 5, fillet of 5, fillet of 5 all over the views. Okay, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. I think that's pretty that. Just check something. Okay, it's it, right? Fillet of 5 all over. Okay, so let's dive into it. Okay, fillet command, making sure the radius should be 5. Full preview is selected, just click enter. Okay, 1, so 2, so making sure you select totally all. Okay, fine. So go to the other side. Okay, good. Okay, fine. I think it's done. Okay. Boom. Pretty good. Oh, the Felix looks it makes it look good, nice. Okay, guys, good. Okay, so let's check out the diagram now. So I think it's pretty that. Now we are going to go top view. We are going to be trying to make these holes. So this hole this is a specification of the hole. M8 metric 8 with a depth or pitch of 1 and a depth of 11. So we are going to go an excursion. So guys, as you notice, we have M8 and we have a diameter of 7. So it means the actual hole will be 7 and the remaining one, because it's M8, right? So the remaining one diameter is just going to be a chamfer. Okay, so that's why we call a tap hole. Okay guys, so but we need to actually specify these positions first. So top view, so from this point to this point should be 108 at a distance of 8, and then 68 at a distance of 8. Okay, so let's go top view, sketch. Okay, one thing, center line. Okay, so just come here, point, click on point, just put it anywhere, let's say yeah, just follow it, yeah. Okay, fine. We call it center line. Okay, pretty good. So point, yeah, and let's say yeah. So select this point, hold control and select this point, make horizontal, select this point, hold control, select this particular point, make vertical. Okay, all good. So this point 108 at a distance of equally one thing, guys, please just cancel this dimension. We need to do something first. So let's select this point, while holding control, of course, and the center line. So make symmetry, very important. This point, control this point, center line, make symmetry. Okay, fine. So smart dimension from this point to this point, we have 108. From this point to this line, we got 8. So I think from this one to here it's 68. Let me just check it first. Okay, it's 68, right? Okay, from here to here 68, and then from here to here at a distance of 8. Okay, good. Okay, so mirror entity, this point, mirror about x-axis. Good. Repeat command of this point and this point, mirror about y-axis, yeah, y. Okay, fine. Okay, so looking at the specification, guys, we have tap hole, M8, extrusion by 11. Okay, so just come here, features, just end sketch first. You have to end sketch as the whole wizard doesn't appear. Okay, so come feature, whole wizard. This first one is countable, the second one countersink. This is hole, so to just make normal holes. This is tap hole, so we are going to select straight hole. So we select straight tap, standard DIN, type tap hole. So we find for M8 times 1. Okay, let's go down. M8 times 1. Okay, end condition blind. We are going 11 downward. Okay, fine. So that's pretty that. Position. Okay, 3D sketch selected. Good. So just go, just select the dots. Dot selected. This dot selected, fine. Let's apply the dot. This one selected. This one selected too. Okay. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. So it's fine, guys. Okay. So you just select the sketch, right click, then select this hide sketch. Okay. So you hide this sketch. Okay. So as you notice, guys, we have one circle and then we have an outer circle. So this is the chamfer it makes. Okay. Good. So let's see what's next. So we go top view. We already have a hole at top view. So it's 2 hole, 2 times 10 dia through all. So this is a simple hole. There are 2 of them. Looking at the whole point, we just go front view. It's at the distance, it's at the center, right? And at the distance of 35 from the edge. Okay, let's do it. It's 10. Okay, fine. So front view, sketch. What can I do? Let me just say, let me prepare my mirror, center line. Okay. Point. Just a moment. Another center line. Okay. Just end here. So just put point. You can just put the point directly on the center line. Okay. So the distance from this point to the edge is 35. It's fully defined, right? So mirror entity, this point selected, mirror bar, y-axis, sorry. Okay, fine. So this is done. Okay. So what is that? So it's dia of 10 or true, so it's a normal hole. So we click on hole and see type. Now we have a drill hole. Okay, so drill size, dia of 10. Let's check 10. It's down. Let's lay up. Okay, 10.0. We go all through. So through all. Okay, all fine. Position, 3D sketch. So we select this point. This seems to be an issue, guys. Let me just select this point. Okay, good. And this point, so it goes all through as you notice. Okay, fine. So okay, so we are almost done. Okay, good. So we are left with this side view. So by selecting the sky, sketch. Okay, let's just check out the diagram. Okay, looking at it, for sure it's not at the center, definitely. the circle is not at the center, and it's at a distance 68.13 apart and 14.38. Oh, okay, and it's true all equally. If you look at this, it's true all. Okay, look at dimension. Okay, true all, good. So 68.13 and 14.38. Okay, so with this selected, so let us select center line first. Make sure they're straight, so vertical. Okay, so constraint. Let's take a point. Just put dot here, just make sure and put dot. Okay, with this selected, control, this selected, vertical line, make symmetry. Then from here to here, I think it's 68. Let me check that first. 68.13. 68.13. Okay, good. And the other is 14.39. Oh, it's 14.38. 14.38. Okay, good. So cancel sketch. What was that? So it's 2 hole, a normal hole, dia of 8, and through all 8. Okay, so hole already selected, right? Good. Gray size, dia we change this 10 to 8. Okay, good. Through all. Okay, position, 3D sketch. So this point and this point. Okay, all good. Okay, boom, almost done, guys. Oh, it looks pretty good. Okay, so let's see if we are done. I think this is pretty good. Let me just increase this. So looking at the isometric view, all looks fine. All looks fine. Okay, guys, one more thing, guys. Looking at the bill of material, let me zoom this for you guys. It's 6061 aluminium. Okay, so we have to select the material equally. So let me just put this down. Just come over here, material, right click, edit material. Just write 6061 TS, selected, aluminum alloy, TS, then apply. Okay, it's pretty good. Okay, so equally, let's speak about the color. Just click on the body, then click on appearance, click on body. I think it's, the color is kind of blue. Let me just check that. Okay, yeah, kind of pink blue. Let's come here. Okay, let's save this. Okay, so the second one. Okay, so this is it, pretty good. So guys, we are completed, we are done with the VMS project 1. So guys, in the next tutorial, we are going to be speaking about how actually we can generate M&G codes, or how can we convert this particular design part into programmable codes that can be understood by the CNC controllers. Okay guys, thank you. Please kindly like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.